All right, everybody, this is the fourth recording and the last one for problem number 14 from the Build an Atom activity. This is the complete chart. So everything that we worked on in the previous videos, plus I filled in the rest of the correct information. I've been checking the videos online. It looks like you can see it on a full screen better than I can see it on this smaller screen. That's good. There's this little glare in the middle here, so I'll just point out some of the numbers that are in the glare. That's a 10 and that's a 10. That's a 6 and that's a 6. That's a 7 and that's a 6. And that's a 2 and that's a 2. Okay, so that might help you with those numbers that might be a little glary. Oh, look, there's the one right in the middle that I forgot. Okay, whoops. Neutrons, yep, that would be 12. Okay, that would be a 12. All right, just a couple of reminders while I give you some time to check your work. Of course, you can pause the video, right? And it might be a little glitchy, but if you pause it at different points, you'll probably be able to see the whole board. But just a couple of explanations. Remember, this last column over here is the charge. It tells you if there are more electrons than protons or more protons than electrons. If there are more protons, it's a positive charge. If there are more electrons, it's a negative charge. You can see down here, this one is a -1 because there are 8 electrons and only 7 protons. This one is a +2 because there are 2 electrons and 4 protons. All right. So that basic idea follows through there. One final thing I'll say as you check your work and make sure you've got it all right. Tomorrow, there's going to be a quiz. Actually, I'm sorry, today there's going to be a quiz. I'm recording this on Monday, but I'm posting it Tuesday morning. Today, on Tuesday, there's going to be a quiz. This afternoon, the window's going to be open. It's going to be on Lockdown browser, but I am going to embed the periodic table in all of the questions. So each question will have that periodic table embedded in it so that you can use it to answer the questions. If you have your sheet that you'd prefer to use because you can read things easier that way, that's fine. You certainly may use that. You can use any notes you want to answer the questions on the quiz today, Tuesday, but you may not work with each other. You can't use each other, but you can use any notes you want, and certainly I would expect you would use your periodic table. Please don't try to take this without your periodic table. All right, I'll stop the video now. Remember, you can go back and pause at any point. You can play it again and again and again to see the answers and practice for the quiz that you will take later on Tuesday, which will be the day this is posted in the morning. All right, thank you. Good luck.